Welcome to my page. I'm a livestock farmer. I will be discussing about basics of pigs. Yes, before you go into any livestock business, you have to know the basic. Yes, it's very important. Many people think pig farming is easy, but the truth is about the management. Management is everything. Yes, I will say it again. Management is everything. Pigs grow fast when they have clean water, balanced feed, and good housing. Note it down. Clean water, balanced feed, and good housing. Secondly, never overcrowd pigs. Overcrowding causes stress, slow growth, and even diseases. Yes, always separate piglets, growers, and the adult pigs. Yes, very, very important. And the other thing you need to know, vaccination. Vaccination and deworming are not optional. They saves money in the long run. Yes, they save money and stress in the long run. If you want profit in pig farming, focus on the health first. The health, the weight gain second, and the sales last. Yes, I come again. The health is first, the weight gain comes second, and the sales will come last. These are the basic things you need to know. Like and subscribe and follow for more tips on livestock farming. Thank you very much.